Hello and welcome to the premiere edition of the ARC Academy, where we are going to try to provide some helpful information about RV products and our thoughts on the best way for you to sell those products. I'm Raymond Padgett and I'm with ARC Representation, and today's program is going to center around the RV plug, the typical RV plug you sell a lot of, and the new product that's called the Smart Plug. Now, we've all seen plenty of burnout plugs over the years, I'm sure. But did you ever stop to think about just how many there are nationwide each year? And these burnout plugs are a contributing factor to the fact that approximately 20,000 RV fires take place every year, according to the National Fire Protection Association. Just look at a few of these articles that are related to RV fires. And more than that, 1.7 million RVers say they have been shocked just by touching their RV at some point in their lifetime. And 500,000 of those say it was serious. Now again, a contributing factor to this shocking situation is those burned out plugs. Did you know, for instance, that today's RV plug that we use all the time was invented in 1938? How many products do you know haven't changed radically since 1938? Now, Marinco did do a good job of coming out with a great advancement about a decade ago with the twist type connectors. It solved one of the major problems that we had in the RV industry because there was pressure on the cord. And as good as they were at getting the pressure off the cord, that connector can be difficult to hook up in a hard to reach situation or in a low light situation. Smart Plug addressed those issues differently though. It did it by creating a sleeve that's designed to help you plug in the cord. And instead of using a ring to lock it in place, they use two positive locks, one on each side of the plug. That locks it into place securely just by pushing it. And then when you unlock it, you just grab the plug and pull it out, depressing those paddles as you go. But not even the twist type connectors address the most important issue: the lack of sufficient metal on metal contact area. We know that the more metal on metal contact that you get, the better, because it makes the plug run cooler. If it's running cooler, then it doesn't melt. If it doesn't melt, it doesn't short out, and if it doesn't short out, it's probably not going to start a fire. Now, you could think that with RVers pushing 30 amps or 50 amps of power through an RV plug, that these connectors would have plenty of metal on metal contact, but the truth is, no, that's not the truth. That's not what happens. The Smart Plug instead, though, has 25 times the electrical connection of a standard plug. So it's going to run cooler and it's going to run safer. Now, to further eliminate any kind of potential shock, the Smart Plug comes with a triple weatherproof seal, where some of our competitors don't have any seals whatsoever. And just to let you know that it's working, that it's connected, that it's doing its job, it has a blue LED power indicator. Now, do you know how long the warranty is on the plugs that you sell now? Now, I've seen 5-year warranties, I've seen 3-year warranties a lot, but Smart Plug has a 7-year warranty because they're so confident of their product. Now, considering all of these advantages, I've really come to believe that the Smart Plug should be on every RVer's unit. And every dealership that replaces an older style plug should put on the Smart Plug. It's the responsible choice. So, what's the best way to sell this product? I highly encourage you to get one of these displays for your showroom, but I doubt that the customers will be buying tons of product just based on the display. This product lives in your service department. Every time that your service department changes out a plug, they should upgrade to the Smart Plug because it's safer, because it's more durable. And it's easy because the footprint is the same for this product as it is for a standard plug that comes from the factory. So use the display then to show your customers how this product works and that it is an upgrade from a standard plug. To get your display, just contact your local ARC representative. We'll be happy to help you. Now, I know that this product is higher priced than a standard RV plug. But just like the twist type connectors were when they first came out, it is higher, it costs more. But how much are you going to save in just one RV fire? Or think about the families that are saved. What if it was your family this is a safer product and it protects the families that use the RV. So just put the price into the estimate. Tell them this is what you charge for replacing an RV plug. And they'll be glad that you did, because it is such a safer, better alternative for them. And don't forget that every time you sell one, you're employing people in the USA. This is an American-made product, not foreign-made. So call your ARC representative today. We'll be glad to help you get into the smart plug business, because it is the safest product on the market. It's the easiest to use product on the market, and it is the only real significant advancement in RV plugs in 80 years. Thank you for joining us for this edition of ARC Academy. We hope that we've helped you learn a little bit more about electrical connectors and about the smart plug. Again, I'm Raymond Padgett. I'm with ARC Representation. We appreciate the time that you've given us today, and check back soon for another edition of the ARC Academy.